Hello friends, this is Mainak from Civil Center and today we are at an apartment 3 BHK. We'll go inside and have a look at its components. So let's go. So I'm opening the door here. You can see this is the living area. You can check out this living area. This is the main door. Aluminum windows have been given here. And we have a fan here. We can put the television set here and a sofa can also be put here. This is a window. You can see that they have used aluminum windows. So these are the windows. Grill is MS mild steel powder coated grills and painting has also been done. You can see that here we have a bedroom. This bedroom is well ventilated and you can see sunlight coming here as this portion is vacant here. So we have two windows here and a toilet. The toilet is attached. We'll just open and look at its components. This is a PVC door. Now you can see the wash basin here and there is a mirror here and we have the WC or commode. This is a western commode. Telephone shower, so its space is 4 feet into 8 feet approximately. I'm closing it. Now let us have a look at the other rooms. So we have here a nice drawing hall along with a wash basin here, and you can see there is a window, sufficient ventilation here. This is also an aluminum window. In fact, all the windows are aluminum windows. Here we can put a washing machine here. We have also pipes here for connection. So washing machine can be put here. You can see connections. And here we have our kitchen. Kitchen fully furnished works have not been done, but the basic works have been done. You can see this is the sink of the kitchen and this is the slab. One can do the finishing and interior works as required. So this is the kitchen. Chimney can be put here, the window, and we also have a taja here for keeping items. Next, let us move on. Here is another bedroom. This bedroom also has two windows. You can see this is 10 by 10 bedroom, 10 feet by 10 feet bedroom. And we have here a common toilet. So let us have a look at our common toilet. This is a 6 by 8 common toilet, 6 feet by 8 feet. You can see that there is a western toilet here and the fittings. As you can see, this is the sanitary fittings. We have a shower here and these are the tapes, telephone showers and the mirrors. This is the ventilator here. So this is another bedroom here, and in this bedroom the best feature is that we have a balcony here. So let us have a look. This is the balcony, and as you can see that the balcony is of 3.5 feet width, so one can easily sit and relax in the balcony. And as you can see, cool breeze is coming, so it's well ventilated. So these were the components of this interior room. Hope you liked our video. For more such videos, stay tuned to our channel, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do hit the subscribe button. And don't forget to comment, because through your comments only we get to know which videos you are interested in and your feedback also, because we never want this channel to be a one-way source. Bye bye.